Till now, we've seen various types of variables. Int for non-decimal numbers, like 23 or 45. Float for decimal values, like 2300 or 456.7899. Double for higher precision decimal values, like 23.88888. Char for storing a single character, like X, Y, or A. And if we wanted a collection of integers or floats, we used arrays. But here's the problem. What if we want to store a name or a word in a variable? Till now, with char, we could only store a single letter. The definition is simple. A string is a collection of alphabets or a sequence of letters. Think of your own name. It's just different letters arranged together. Strings are a universal and fundamental concept in programming, used to store text like names, messages, passwords, or input data. Why strings are everywhere? Why are strings in every language? Because text is everywhere. In printing messages, taking user input, storing file names, sending data, and showing UI text. Some languages use immutable strings like Java and Python. Some have mutable strings like C++. Some handle Unicode by default. Others need extra handling. Yes, strings are a universal concept in programming. Different syntax, same purpose, storing and manipulating text.